big ones we got?
So if your fillet looks like that, you can see a knife in between it. You didn't lose much. So out it goes, it sinks down. Catfish like you.
Is this a normal catch?
Yeah.
There's some big ones in there.
Awesome. Where'd you guys go? Go by the dam?
We went as far as the, kind of where we went yesterday. Kind of just before that. But we worked the shores.
Nice.
And then again and again, there's some hot, we hit a hot area, we work it again. So, yeah, the 3 ones that I caught, the bigger ones, they were boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, he said you don't do that.
Yeah, sharp knives are important.
That's a nice piece there.
Right.
We got educated on the lake and the politics behind it and everything else.
Right.
Too much.
He's
I
pretty
need-
involved. He's fighting for it. He says Bidwell, maybe
Bidwell.
3 more weeks,
Yep.
and that's done.
Yeah. What about here?
This is done before Bidwell.
Yeah.
This is done in, well, what I've heard is 2 weeks.
A couple weeks, I think, is about all you're going to get. Yeah.
So we're not going to have the ski boat. That's going to be a big blow. Big blow.
Well, you know, we just got to count our blessings, and we're out here.
Well, if it was
That's
just
right.
us, we've already done it. It's good, but you got Corey's new.
I know.
You know, I mean, you got the new people.
But we'll see what happens at that time.
Maybe we'll get lucky.
I know.
Who's Corey?
Your worst nightmare.
Is he?
Corey with the K, by the way.
What is
Megan's
he? What?
Megan's boyfriend, maybe fiance. Maybe
What? Well, what's wrong with him?
Huh?
Why you don't like him?
I like him.
Why you say worst nightmare?
Your worst nightmare.
Why?
I'm just teasing you. Come on, guys. No, he's a good kid. I like
Yeah, I would think so.
him. He's a hard worker, yeah.
Good. Let me see. What are you talking about? Your kids
That's
are
what I
pretty.
say about my son-in-law too.
Yeah, I mean,
You know?
he's with my daughter.
Yeah, exactly.
Can't dive in completely. It's protocol.
Yep.
Hey, them eggs good fish bait?
No, not out here. I mean, not for bass or anything like that.
Look at all them fish in there. Nobody cares about this, huh?
Actually, that Tennessee honey was really good.
It was.
Yeah.
Look at all that meat. That ain't even halfway through.
I gotta clean up in here.
Hey, will you grab that? Yeah, you already did. Thank you.
Who am I drinking with?
A lot of meat. Oh, burrito. And then it got to the big one. That's about the size I was catching.
Bridget, can you grab
We
this?
caught them though.
We caught him.
It's hard to believe we did that many that fast, really. You got it going on, dude.
You get it? I want to see one of the big fish being caught. They're pretty big.
There's some nice ones in there. You want it? I'll show you the bigger one. Well, Kevin, when you get one of the bigger ones out,
This is always my job, is cleaning the fish. Like a better fish, but trout.
Yeah.
Like a twin legs and
Oh, for sure. Well, that's a good job to
well,
have.
you catch so many fish.
we used to be catching 10.
You catch your limit in about 10 minutes.
That's awesome.
You're talking back in the 70s, you know what I mean? Where
Plenty of
Plenty out
spots,
there.
plenty of fish out here.
No, we're not that bad.
Disappointed. It's crazy how you're disappointed when you see something actually being killed. Versus when you just eat at the store.
Or watching them suffer in the ice chest.
Yeah. Flipping around.
Oh, these little ones are fighters. The big ones kind of, they hit hard and then they're kind of like, yeah.
Well, usually the little ones are fighters.
The little ones are
Can you see this? These ones out here?
yeah. Hey, tell me, get on the boat. Look at that pile of the fish.
Wow, it's a lot.
What did we catch, Kevin? 30 probably? Total?
Oh well, I mean we
Kind of
let
limit plus
This one's still alive.
so many. We let so many
Can
go.
you
I
see
mean,
it breathing right now?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I can see it.
Can you see something here?
It was,
I can't see it.
He's
I'll see it.
breathing.
Is it hot on there? Can I step on there with
yeah, no, it's
bare feet?
Yeah, you can. It's a little
just
hot
be
though.
careful. It might be a little warm
It's
for
actually a
you.
little hot after time.
it feels good.
Oh, yeah, man.
This one's still breathing.
Look how big that is.
Yeah, no, there's some nice ones in there.
There's some good ones.
Do you need some pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's hard to get a photo that does it justice.
You got a couple of, it's hard to get video when you're in it.
Yeah,
I was saying, I kept looking at Nick to see if he had.
That's awesome.
You're full back there on us.
Thank you, Kevin, for taking him out.
Oh, thank you for having me.
That's cool.
Good time all the way around. The main thing was just finding the houseboat.
Yeah. This morning? Yeah.
Was it hard?
No,
That's
no.
the winner of the trip, right?
Piece of
The
cake.
winner. You got to say for yourself after a great performance today. It's par for the course. I mean, I train hard, I work hard, and I expected for
That's what's par for the course.
That's what you saw.
Yeah. He's always got something to say.
Oh,
Always got something to say. Yeah, we were looking at that.
believe me, I know. I was on the boat.
Yeah.
I was on the
Kevin
boat.
just slammed me.
Kevin, you can slam him all you want.
Believe me, I was
I hype it up, Kevin. Very modest.
Kevin
humble
knew
man.
the hecklers right off the bat. He knew exactly.
Believe me, I was on
Oh,
the boat.
dude. He said, I gotta seprate these two right here.
He saw that. That was a
You
good pickup.
guys together
have to
are
separate.
serious.
Fun times all the way around. Fun time. Good time, man.
Great time.
Glad you
Love
came,
it.
man. That's awesome.
Great call. Happy birthday.
Any of these opportunities.
No, this was awesome, man. I just had another one.
Got the rooftop view over there.
Oh, yeah, we've been all over.
Now she's filming up there.
These are my fishes.
Oh, Cheryl. Good job, Cheryl.
That was when I caught it right there. Maybe.
There you go.
Awesome. Look at that. Thank you for flinging those. I would hate to wait on these guys.
So he said butter, you stack them. Maybe
Stack them in aluminum foil.
Okay.
Just make a boat of them, and just lay a layer down. Garlic, salt, butter. Lay another layer, garlic, salt, and just keep right on going.
I like peppers.
Garlic salt your thing. So here we go.
Huh?
It's a garlic salt your thing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I know. Cool boat, though.
Yeah.
This boat is so
Look
stable.
how much room you had.
Very stable.
Awesome. We gotta do this again.
And then at one point he punched it where you go to another area. It's like you're on ice skating.
You don't even feel anything.
It's flatter than
Love it.
We've been doing it for 6 months, right, Kevin?
6 months, 4 months, something like that. The person you talked with in the office is my daughter. That's Samantha.
I thought you guys all needed a book. No, I figured all three for that and the book.
Got the ribs.
What you're doing.
These are all rib bones there.
Just right there. That's not a bad little section right there.
Nope. That's all
You
bones.
see what he's doing
Bones right there.
So it's just a little section. See that section? Just cut it right out.
Some fish down there in the
Hey, Cheryl. That's not bad. know with trout, when you pull the bone out, there's still bones in there. No.
Yeah, once the sun got up.
No. Your adrenaline's going pretty excited.
Yeah, isn't that? Yeah, it's even. I guess you guys have these custom built, huh?
You bet. I can play salmon
Are
on
these
here.
all your boats or the company?
They're all mine.
How many do you have?
6 of these.
Do you really? Go big or go home?
Yeah. Well, like I said earlier, we're going to start to downsize.
Okay.
Sammy's doing good. I'm doing good.
Good. Glad to hear it. Survived the COVID.
Yeah. We'll take them up here and life is good, you know. What about the grandkids?
Kind of got a serious illness. So kind of getting perspective on life. This job is not 8 to 5, 5 to 8, odd hours.
With this part?
Although,
Yeah, hanging out, meeting new people, catching some fish.
yeah, there is a big upside tonight.
A lot of upside to it.
Man, you love your job.
This is awesome.
That's what he does.
Yeah, I dropped out of high school at 17, had Samantha, and then started guiding when I was 18.
Wait, Samantha's who I was talking to.
That's my daughter.
Oh, I thought it was your wife.
Yeah, that's what everybody says.
She's
Yeah.
so nice.
Yeah.
I loved her.
Yeah, Sammy's awesome.
She did tell her I was very impressed.
I will do that. She loves to hear that. She loves to make people happy.
Yeah, she was fantastic. Yeah.
Outside of paradise, right?
Yeah, Regalia.
Good. Really nice. Very accommodating. It was great.
That's what it's supposed to be. Easy and fun, you know?
Exactly. So just, what do we put on this? A little lemon and butter?
Yep.
Pepper?
Yep.
That's it.
That's it.
Just put a foil over it?
Yep.
Just like lay it out there.
It'll just flake apart. Put it in aluminum foil. Just lay it over there in butter. When the butter starts, it'll steam the inside. Open it up. Steam will come out. Hit it with a fork. The fillets will just start to fall apart. Yeah.
Sounds good. Tonight, rice, salad.
Little golden nuggets, we call them.
Perfect. Set up.
We do it this way for everybody. That way, when you go home or you're on the houseboat, you don't have to mess with any of this stuff at home.
I know.
I've done it so much, I can do it fast. Everybody else gets it
It
home.
takes forever.
It takes forever. It takes the fun out of it.
Yeah.
The guys had a great time. They're a great crew to be with.
Good. They're pretty fun.
Yeah. Like I said, I had to straighten them out a few times, but other than that, they're all right.
You gotta keep it straight.
Just Chris and Guy.
The salmon's slow, huh?
Super slow. We tried for them. Went out into some deep water, weren't getting them. I wanted to make sure everybody got some fish, so I went for the big guaranteed bite. But even this morning, it was slow bass fishing. We were hooking them, but they were too small to keep.
Yeah, we all got it.
I mean, we probably got a dozen fish and some other ones before we even started keeping some.
Good. They got little big catching. That's good.
Easy catch. We kept them going.
Love it.
Just lost my favorite lure.
Oh,
Oh, there's always that one guy.
I know. You gotta watch him.
Oh, tell me about it.
Hope you have another one.
There you go. You
I
lost.
got plenty.
You lost the favorite
Better
lure.
watch the Italian.
Yeah.
Yeah, I lost.
That's a big one. How big are those? Like, what's the biggest one?
Now, 2.5 pounds.
2.5 pounds? Yeah.
Do all the small ones up first.
Long day for you.
It's all right. Part
Are
of
you
it.
in Chico?
I'm over in Willows.
Willows.
Yeah, right now.
How far is that? Like a half hour?
About an hour 15.
Oh, really? Wow. So how busy are you in Oroville?
I run every day right now.
Wow.
Yeah, we're either here or over out of Bidwell. We've been out of Bidwell more because more people have been staying at the hotels
Oh.
and the casinos. So it's easier for them to get to the ramp over there.
Well, thanks for coming out to
Oh,
White Saddle. And
I'm glad.
it's just so nice because we're right here.
I'm glad to do it.
It was great.
I looked at the
Set
notes.
that up.
I looked at the notes, and Sammy leaves me notes, you know, and that's exactly what she said. She said, super great people. They're in a blue and white houseboat right next to the marina. And I sent her a message back. I said, you know how many blue and white houseboats there are about?
This is like the main one.
This is the
Blue and white. Stands out like a sore thumb.
Sounds like a great thought.
Yes. Very right.
We got a place over on Bidwell, a houseboat over there.
Oh, you guys do?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So we go over there. It's just
We
fantastic.
had our last houseboat was on.
Yeah,
We had 15 years over there.
I'm out at the Y dock out there.
Sold that and got this. Came over here.
Fish just keep coming out of it.
Hey, that's a lot of fish. Huh? I am. I know.
You gotta have a sharp knife.
Gotta have a sharp knife.
I
There's
cleaned
the
up
first
half
one.
this day. It was ridiculous. But all I did was slip it down here and cut this and then pull the gills and the stomach out and then take a knife and clean it. And
Yeah.
that's how I did it. I don't like it. Yes, I don't like it because some of the old people, my grandma's friends, they want to eat the eyeballs. And I'm like, this is disgusting. Yes, that's
Whoa!
what I did. Yes.
Go out, keep right on
That's
going.
what I did.
You gotta get out the bloodline and go
Yes.
over the stomach part, but other than that, yeah, we're good.
That's a lot of fish though when you're cleaning 100 fish. It's like,
Oh, there you go.
we're just gonna make that truck get fit and they have the beans and rice and yeah,
Awesome. No, they don't even be cooked long.
So is this lake water?
What's that? Yep.
So then do we need to rinse it? Anything else?
Nope. You're gonna do paper towels
Okay.
and just dab them all up, and they'll dry all out. We'll rinse them in here, and then just take a paper towel, get them all dry. And we'll absorb everything right off there. Start rolling them in paper towels. That, put them in there, gets all the blood off of them, all the extra, everything off. A little bit of blood there. Takes a little close up the meat. Rinse those out.
So buying out here with all this fish. Just right there. Yes. The big ones right here, they're
They're gonna start getting bigger. I would do the small ones first.
man. No, that's Guy.
Oh, God.
Guy, because every fish you caught was under the limit. But not good enough. No, sir. Throw it back.
No, sir, guy.
You got some harassing going on.
I got a lot of them.
Yes, you did.
You did. Guy actually was.
How fun.
It was fun, yeah. We all do,
Everybody caught you.
It's always nice to get those dirt.
Yeah, yeah. There's a couple big ones in here. Yeah, get into the big ones.
Yeah.
2 or 3 pounds.
This thing is great.
Yeah.
Great.
Wow.
And you know what?
Nope. It's good to catch it. You'll keep your other side. It's all good.
Yeah, just get a big old cutting board.
And get a bucket with ice water and throw it in. Like the ice water.
We hired Kevin once a year.
We'll come out and hang out with you. You
There
betcha.
you go. So you think awesome. Somebody's gonna be happy, I'm sure. Huh?
They sink fast too.
Yeah, we're gonna have fish jumping all night.
Good looking color, huh?
The catfish will clean it up.
Yes.
Oh, they'll let us do it.
Yeah.
He's on 64.
64, baby.
Yeah, we're 64, but you'd never know it. How would you ever find it?
No,
Nick was had his light on. I don't know if you seen it.
I did.
Did you?
I was launching, I saw it, and I saw a camera phone or something over there. I'm like, oh, that's right.
How many fish with babies? Just the one?
Oh, there's a few.
Couple?
Few. Yeah. You had it.
No, pregnant.
Yeah.
There he goes, guy.
Good job, I think.
All different types. They're like $12, $13, the blue and white. Best one there is. Yep. It's good to have a good blade too. It's a little Forstner knife, so it's good to have a decent blade. So be careful about the t-shirt. Go right through. Yeah. Yep. that was a good one there.
When you hear it flop, like this. I didn't know that was his best sword, so they just
It thought I just
that was a good one. Obviously.
we're good too. The rib bones. Taking all the bones out of them.
They renting or what? That's it, huh? Nice earlier. Yeah, it was nice earlier. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Alright. All the geese and ducks are hanging out. They're like, what's going on over there?
Oh, no, that's it.
There'll be a little blood on them, things like that, you know, from rinsing them. Just use a paper towel, touch it on there, and they'll just take it all right off there. They're pretty clean.
Just stack them in a tin or foil.
guys. Just make sure you stay cold. And then when you're ready to eat them,